Ah, Bell B20E. Come on then, boys, let's get some pre-starts on the go. And let's see what we're going to do today. Something over there. It's this button here, look, underneath the switches. See? Bonnet. And it goes up. Whee! Gets the engine bay, look. There's your header tank. Good full. Down there, that's dipstick. It's cast your eye over all the rest of it. Mercedes. Woo! See, this is how I likes it. Got your boots on the paper, and you shut your door. Turn yourself around here, look. And shut the bonnet. Oh. There she goes. Just going to put the pin in. You don't need to see that, do you? Right. The dashboard is alive. Push to start. There we go. Just got to build up the air pressure for the brakes. Time to go to work. Right then, boys. Let's go to work. Nah. JCB loading shovel. Chucking that shit in the back. Happy days. Pissing rain. Don't think we're going to do much today, but oh well. Just do what we do.